Hey guys, I'm working on repairing this German neon beer sign with an interesting frame concept. So this blue and yellow tube was mounted up here and the red tube was mounted down here, and it had one letter broken that I replaced. I'll show you some pictures of the glass repair. And that's an unusual way. I don't think they made many like this. So it's a bent acrylic sheet, and it can be both placed on a surface like this or hung on the wall with these holes in here. But you always have the neon part leaning back like this, and I don't really like that. So I was thinking about keeping this, but I'm not going to. Instead, I will mount these tubes to a metal frame. And I found a frame of a broken Carlsberg sign where the size is quite right. It had a tube broken and also the tube supports broken. Sometimes you get frames that are riveted in those crossings. And that's an issue because sometimes over the years the rivets lose tension, and then you can tilt or shift the whole sign like a parallelogram and it will break your tubes. And this was also the case here, so with a bit of force I could lean this left and right. So I put some welding spots on there to prevent that and then paint it over again. So this should be a good size to accommodate these tubes. Yeah, that should work out. So now I need some black 8mm tube supports, and I'm going to part out another frame for them. And that's this frame of a broken Red Bull sign that had the Red Bull text down here in 10mm and the bulls and that yellow sun or whatever up here in 8mm. So I'm going to drill them out. And now I'll try to find where I have to put the holes for the new supports. Maybe I can use some of the existing holes. Yeah, this one is matching. This one is matching. This one is matching. And this one is probably needed for the transformer. So let's put a new one here maybe. And let's put a new one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put one here. And one here. Okay, so I will align the yellow tube with this bar, which gives me one support here and one here. I'd rather use this one and not that. This one cannot be used, so I'll put a new one here. And one here, and one here, and one up here, and one here. All right, how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's exactly the amount that I drilled out of the Red Bull. So